Equipment failures are the major reasons for the manufacturing industry to incur at least 20% loss every quarter. This can be because of the instruments that is not working, and when a line engineer goes and tries to fix it manually, there are lots and lots of human errors. Alliance Global Claim says 30% of the error are due to human error. This might lead to the stop and the delay in the assembly line. Now, how we can solve this problem using the concept of Aikido and then automating the complete process together? Infosys can definitely do it. Having the artificial intelligent Mana, which will study the each and every part of the equipment where the data has been sent by the IoT sensors, guiding the engineer through a virtual glasses where the 3D projection will say which panel to open when. Through this automation, definitely the manufacturing loss that every manufacturing or an enterprise unit see or find can be rectified. Let's see what are the use case for the product called FARMS.
So let's discuss what our FARMS product is all about. Suppose Sundar is a line maintenance engineer in a pipe making factory. The pipe making machine has been manufactured by M Corps. Now suppose one day the machine goes faulty and starts making pipes of inaccurate diameter, which will lead to wastage of the material as well as wastage of money and will lead to a loss of revenue. Now one traditional way for Sundar is to go and inspect the components one by one and find out the root cause. The other way is the way of FARMS. Now in FARMS we will have sensors throughout the pipe making machine. Once one of the components goes down, suppose the second component goes down, the sensor number 2 will send the logs to Mana at the manufacturer side. So the manufacturer knows where the fault is lying. And Mana quickly calls Sundar on his iPad saying that, Mr. Sundar, this component has faced an error. Please wear virtual glasses and please wear a smart glove and proceed to the components. Now what the smart glove does is, each time Sundar touches a wrong component, it vibrates to indicate him of his fault. Moreover, the virtual glasses will keep on projecting all the guidelines in front of him without him reading a manual. This way, Sundar will be guided by Mana, or we should say FARM system, to solve the faults step by step in a much faster manner, which will lead to saving of time, less loss of revenue and less downtime. Suppose Mana now understands that Sundar has not been able to solve the issue. It learns by itself. So Mana will quickly inform Infosys that your steps have been erroneous and Sundar needs a new set of steps to fix this issue. This way, we also ensure that our system at the manufacturer side keeps on learning. And suppose Mana also finds that the component which has been replaced is out of stock in the inventory. Mana quickly informs the suppliers to fetch the components and update the inventory, be it transporting it through drones or be it any other method. This way, FARMS is going to reduce the loss of revenue as well as is going to save time to a lot of extent.
Now let's talk about how we can implement it. So in this model, while implementing the fault and the remedy management systems, we have come up with a dual engagement model where the package solution FARMS is feasible and viable for a small and a medium scale enterprise, and as well brings us profit from two ends. One from the small and medium scale enterprise definitely, and the other one from the large business deals, those who manufacture the equipments that the small and medium scale industries are using. So the large business are going to use AI Mana and the small business are going to use the IoT sensors, the virtual glasses, the sensor gloves and the iPad to rectify the problem. Through this engagement model, Infosys is going to get a good amount of profit. And with this engagement model, the problems of a small and a medium scale enterprise can also be precisely solved. So let's see how FARMS can bring wonders in this world.